cuca, saque, pega-me si, pata, pata, saco, cookie, saque, pega-me si, pata, pata, saco, cookie, saque, pega-me si, pata, pata, saco, cookie, saque, pega-me si, pata, pata, e a mama, 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 si, pata, pata. Okay guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you really quickly how I'm playing Pata Pata by Miriam Makeba. I'll do it one half step down than the original, so if you want to play along with the original, just put a capo on the first fret and play the same way that I'm about to show you right now. So, grab your ukulele and let's go. Alright, throughout the whole song we're just doing D to G to D to A, okay? And for the strumming I'm plucking up the C string and then I'm doing down, up, down, alright? Something like this, but of course don't follow it too strictly. Just try to feel the song and do it with it. Si, pata, pata, saco, cookie, saque, si, pata, pata, ia mama, si, pata, pata, ia mana, But also there is this intro slash interlude that I want to show to you. So I'm coming a little bit closer right now. Okay, so we start grabbing the D chord. I'm playing the C string and then on the E string. Wap, pap, pap. Then we grab the G chord and with the pinky right here on the C string 4th fret. Okay, and then D, but this time we're accenting more on the open A string. Then to E string, grabbing the A chord. All right. So that was my quick tutorial for Pata Pata. Thank you so much for requesting this song. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.